Okay, gonna install a MaxxAir vent fan cover today. This thing is made in the USA and it is much beefier than I imagined. I haven't installed one of these before, not this type anyway. Got all the hardware attached on the back here. Got me a little magnetic bowl to contain all that while I get up on the roof. Actually, one last thing before I get on the roof. I installed two of the tabs on one side. I got the clips in there. The tabs are underneath. You can't see them here. But this vent is set up so if you release either side, then you can tilt it up like this. These would be bolted to the side of the vent fan here. So that's the way you center it. To put on the first side is to attach these and then mark the spots on the vent up on the roof. So that is done, and then again this thing just with one side released, it can tilt up for easy cleaning. Alright, up on the roof finally. And then here's what I've done. Got the one side connected to the vent cover and just kind of lined up the brackets so they're fairly centered on the actual vent. Like I said, it's kind of folded back or rotated to the side like you were to take one side loose to clean it. And then just make sure that it folds over and sits down, so it does. So again, everything appears to be well centered. So now time to drill some holes. Two little red dots are my holes. Alright, that side is done. Alright, covered back off the brackets for ease of bolting. Each bracket has a screw, a flat washer, a lock washer, and a nut. So, put those on. So screwed through the outside, and then lock washer or flat washer, lock washer, and nut on the inside. There we go. Just gonna leave that finger tight till I get it all in, so it's slightly adjustable. But one down, three to go. Okay, I've got the bolted side back reinstalled, and so this side I have some let's set back up. So this side I have some new die-core that I put down yesterday, maybe even the day before. So it's pretty soft. So I'm going to put those on, or sort of line them up anyway. And then just give this thing a little press down. And if I lift that back up, they're still held in place by that fairly soft die core. So that should work. Okay, those are in position. So just a little mark again. And then drill once more. All right, last two drilled. Awesomeness. Get out some more hardware. Right, screw through, flat washer, lock washer, and nut. All right, again, semi-loosely, so I can get the rest of the hardware or the rest of the stuff in. And that's all four in there. So, little test fold. Everything lines up. So success. So I'm gonna lift it back up, tighten it back up, put the pins in, and we're done. That was easy. Easy peasy.